Heitsquail, Entapa Brett Hancock, Taneet Smith, Learning Alternatives. Hello, my name is Brett Hancock. I'm honored to be the principal of the Learning Alternatives program. Today I'd like to take some time to speak to you about our new music program. Learning Alternatives is a program where we do things differently. In the past, it used to be a place where kids were often sentenced to when things weren't working at their catchment area school. Over the past year, our population has more than doubled in size, and we are now a place where staff, students, and families want to be. They want to be here because we do things in an innovative way. We prepare students for a 21st century job market. And this year, we're fortunate enough to have a full-time music teacher. Our goal is to provide dignity, purpose, and options to each of our students. Having the opportunity for students to learn under the leadership of Steve Holmberg allows them to explore a passion that we haven't been able to offer in the past. We're asking you to please come join the family. We're wanting to build a band through the sense of belonging. When kids feel that they belong, they feel safe, they feel supported. They can then have the opportunity to demonstrate mastery in music and in the arts.
This program, this is what you've started, and it's just it's great because I've been to so many other schools where you want to be able to do something, but instead they just here, do this, play this, and then it just kind of pushed me away from playing what I really want to play. And I don't know, I stopped playing drums for the longest time, but now that I'm able to do something I like doing it.
It would cost an arm and a leg for us to go to lessons or anything like that. And normal mainstream schools don't have very good music programs, or if they are good, you're forced to play what's there. You don't really have an option on what to play and what kind of music you want to play.
It definitely feels nicer having more universal instruments rather than just recorders. It's nice having guitars and drums and pianos, things that are used a lot in more genres of music.
Yeah, I think it gives everybody an opportunity to try whatever they want to try.
I like how it gives me the ability to learn how to play music. Yeah, I don't know, but I really like the guitars here and the drums and everything else they have. Wouldn't be able to play them.
It sucked. It really sucked. It's I don't know. My favorite part of the day is getting me just for this hour, and it brings me to school. Because otherwise I just stay home and maybe do my work there or whatever. But I like being here with all this. You know.
I can see not as many kids coming in.
Yeah.
It'd be kind of boring for this.
Yeah.
Calm and happy.
I feel like music brings people together a lot. You can meet somebody, you've never met them before, and they seem like the complete opposite person of you, but then you guys have a similar music taste, and you can really bond over that, and you find out new things about people.
It helps me clear my head and express emotion almost in a healthy manner.
Personally, it really helps me with if I'm in a dark place, music really helps me with that, and it's helped uplift me.
We want to give back to the community that has helped us. So our goal is to have our students show off their musical talents, showing their generosity to our old folks' homes, to our elders in our community, to the younger students, to inspire them, to be brave, to make mistakes, and to learn from them. Because what we have here is a safe place.
The instruments that you've seen in this video are borrowed. generously donated from another school in our district. At the end of the school year, those instruments go back to where they came from. With your help, we can provide instruments to the students at Learning Alternatives so they can continue growing, learning, creating, and sharing the music that they are passionate about. Thank you for considering our application and watching this video.